The paddle-flap scorpionfish is a fascinating reef-dwelling species found in the Indo-Pacific. Known for its excellent camouflage, this fish can blend seamlessly into coral and rocks, resembling algae-covered surfaces. It has venomous spines for defense, and its paddle-flap fins help it creep along the seafloor. An ambush predator, it waits motionless for prey to approach before striking quickly. Despite its menacing appearance, it's a relatively docile creature, mainly hiding in